What's up, everybody? It's Coach Burgess, and your humanity WOD for today is to discard it or throw it away. Just finished a very, very long day one at Amateur Strongman Nationals, and I could get into a lot of the things about the day and how we were supposed to start at 3 o'clock, and we didn't start, like heavyweights didn't really start till about 6 o'clock. Didn't wrap up until about 10:30. We were supposed to do 4 events. We only did 3. But I've done videos in the past on rolling with the punches. What I wanted to discuss today is having a short memory. As a football player, my entire athletic career prior to this as a football player, always had coaches talking about having a short memory, where if you make a mistake on the previous play, you have to throw it away. You can't let that affect how you're going to act going forward. So one of the biggest reasons I wanted to come compete at Nationals is because it's the best opportunity to see where I stack up against the rest of the field in this country. There are about 60 total competitors, and after day one, I'm sitting right now in the back third. I'm probably sitting somewhere in the high 40s. And my goals for this was to finish in the top half, ideally in the top 15. And I have a tremendous amount of work ahead of me to accomplish that goal for tomorrow. If I get caught up in what I did or did not do today, if I get caught up in how the logistics of today got changed, it's not going to help me tomorrow. So I have to be able to throw it away, stay focused on the task at hand, and that is how I'm going to achieve my goals. So take that lesson and apply it to anything else that's going on in your life. Don't let something that is going to, or really has no effect on the outcome, affect what you're doing. You have to learn how to discard it, dial in and focus, and remember, if we take action, we can be the change we wish to see in the world.